Go home happy with the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado HD. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The all-new Silverado delivers smart technology, advanced safety features, improvements in bed and cargo design, and a refined level of comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, 8-cylinder engine, remote engine start, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive. See how refined and comfortable a bold, muscular work machine can be. Drive the all-new Silverado.